Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, feel free to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and please ask questions in the comments section below so that we can respond with more videos. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel, This has to do with a violation of probation. Criminal attorney, Stockton. Violation of probation, Stockton. Violated probation, Stockton. Attorney, Stockton. Let's see here. I have a case of domestic violence with my ex-wife, and I sometimes sleep at the house. One night, her daughter came home drunk, and I grabbed her by the hair and she called the police. Now I have more charges. Oh yeah. First of all, if you were on probation for this domestic violence, this would clearly be a violation of probation. But on top of it, I need to know, did you have a protective order in place where it was peaceful contact, or did you have a no contact order? Now, at the very least, this would be a violation of the peaceful contact order. And you could be charged with a violation of Penal Code Section 166 here in the state of California, which is a charge for disobeying the courts. You could also be charged with violating the restraining order, which would be a violation of Penal Code Section 273.6, which carries up to 1 year in county jail. Now, here's the deal. Let's say that protective order existed and it wasn't a peaceful contact order, just a regular protective order. You're not supposed to have any contact with the alleged victim, which would be your ex-wife in this case, even if she gave you permission. Even if she says, oh yeah, you could stay at the house, I don't care. No, she does not have the right to give you permission. You have to go to the court and ask for a peaceful contact order in order for you to have contact with the alleged victim in this case, which would have been your ex-wife. Now, regarding her daughter and you grabbing her by the hair, you can't do that. Now, I'm going to preface this with something. If she was attacking you with something, yeah, then you could grab her by the hair to like keep her off of you. But if you're just upset with her because she came home drunk, you can't just go up to her and grab her by the hair. That's a battery. Penal Code Section 242, misdemeanor, carries up to 6 months in the county jail. And I know she was drunk, but let's just say hypothetically she was a minor. Let's say hypothetically she was a minor. Now you'd be in violation of Penal Code Section 273A(a), which is cruelty to children, which carries up to 6 years in the state prison. So please, 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 you know, if you are on probation for domestic violence, it is generally best to avoid contact. Avoid contact with the victim. Now, if you have to because you're married to her or whatnot, you need to get that peaceful contact order. You have to get that peaceful contact order, please. And, you know, no contact with the victim without a peaceful contact order by a judge. And no, the victim can't just say, oh yeah, it's okay, it's cool. No, you have to get permission from the court. And of course, a violation of probation could carry anywhere from 1 year county jail for misdemeanor domestic violence or 4 years state prison for a felony domestic violence. So it's necessary to know whether or not your original charge of domestic violence, the one that you were on probation for, whether or not that was a misdemeanor or a felony. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and please ask questions in the comment section below so that we can make more videos responding to your questions. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, call us now for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who got accused of hit and run while drunk. Criminal attorney, Stockton. Violation of probation, Stockton. Domestic violence, Stockton. Attorney, Stockton.